In last week's Parsha Vayakhel, Moses gathers the people together to build the Mishkan, the portable sanctuary God commanded the Jews to build in the desert while they journeyed to the land of Israel nearly 3,500 years ago. They were a group of different people gathered together, bound by a common goal. This week's Parsha, Pekudei, means counting and refers to the very detailed inventory taken of all the parts of the Mishkan. In contrast to Vayakhel, Pekudei emphasizes the concept that each part of the Mishkan is important. Similarly, each creation has its own unique nature to serve God. With the intricate details given of the parts of the Mishkan and the fact that there aren't any unnecessary words in the Torah, we must explore the lesson here. This teaches us that even when we are a part of a group, each of us counts as an individual, and we are each blessed with God-given talents to better ourselves and the world. Regarding the Mishkan, the Parsha says the children of Israel had done everything that God had commanded, and it was only after the people each took action, the Shechina, godliness, rested among them. To count as individuals, we must remember that we are part of something bigger, brought together in unity to make the world a dwelling place for Hashem. It first takes the effort on our part to do something, then that elicits a divine response from above. God's blessings are always coming down, but we need a vessel to catch them in. Taking initiative and performing a concrete action creates our vessel. May the lessons from the Parsha inspire us to use our individual talents to elevate ourselves and the world around us, and may our vessels overflow with blessings in everything we need and want, both physically and spiritually. Thank you to all our subscribers. Please leave me comments and questions below, and remember to click like, and most importantly, if you haven't already, subscribe and share the videos across your social media so we can continue to bring you new content each week, uniting people by inspiring them to increase in random acts of goodness and kindness through technology and Torah. See you next time, and good Shabbos. And do your best today. You've traded a day of your life for it.